Hi, my name is Leighton and I'm a game developer. I rate Unity 5 out of 5 stars. Click below for more reviews. We used to use Adobe Air for game development, which had a number of insufficient parts that Unity really helped us solve. So, Adobe Air was based on Flash technology that would eventually be killed, but also it was not nearly as intuitive or feature rich to work with for creating 3D games. We chose Unity because it not only has a fantastic intuitive interface among the best for game engines, but it also has a an amazing community built around it. There are incredible resources, and if you need help, there is so much help out there. The documentation itself is also great, and there are a lot of resources to help you get up to speed on using it very quickly. Unity is great in the sense that it was so easy for us to adopt. It's an intuitive experience overall. Of course, there is still a lot of technical knowledge that you need to create advanced games, but it is among the most accessible advanced 3D game engines out there. Unity is great for both solo game developers and teams of all different sizes. I'd say it's especially suited to those who want to make cross platform games or games for mobile devices. There are, of course, many other engines out there that will create games compatible with several different platforms, but this is Unity's strong suit. Optimizing games that look amazing on phones and tablets and can still play on your PC is sort of the specialty of Unity, and it does it very, very well.